So here we have a typical component from the stainless steel fabrication industry. So we've got box section steel here and tubular steel welded into this fabrication. Lots of different welds on here that we need to remove if we're going to make this look like one piece of steel. Typical tool used in this marketplace is this, the angle grinder or the right angle grinder. Most people are using a flat disc for this kind of thing. Ideal for taking off the welds here, taking off the welds here. But where we have a problem with a tool like this is the difficult to access parts such as this area here and these areas here. Can't really efficiently get that tool into these areas without making a mark on the steel or with the guard or the body of the grinder. It's stopping us do that. So where we have a solution for that is this tool here, which is called the long neck grinder. Essentially the same tool, angle grinder body, but it has this long neck attachment on here, enabling us to get into these kind of places here and these here without any problems or restrictions on the tool. To do this, we've got two different wheels. The blue wheel, this is our Norton Vortex Rapid Blend wheel, which is the wheel for removing the weld, followed by the grey wheel here, which is the wheel we use for finishing that afterwards. Before we do this, we have to dress the periphery of the wheel to adapt to the shape of this weld here. So let's show you how we're going to do that. As I want to grind a 90-degree fillet weld, I need to dress a 45-degree angle onto each side of this wheel. To do this, I'm using a coated abrasive flat disc, but you could use any other abrasive media, such as a bonded abrasive dressing stick. Thanks to the unique Vortex grain technology we have in this material, we're able to remove the weld and finish the weld in one step. So let's see how that works. The Vortex wheel is soft, fast-cutting, easy to use with no vibration. Just see how easily we can remove and finish this weld. Whilst for most people the finish from the Vortex wheel will be good enough, if you want an even better finish, we have this wheel, which is the 2SF wheel. 2 standing for very flexible, S for silicon carbide and a fine grade. So let's see what finish we get from this. The 2SF wheel is able to remove any scratches or marks left behind the Vortex wheel. We're also able to remove thermal damage. And as you can see here, the wheel can also remove small welds without damaging the component or creating any flat spots on the material. So due to the nature of the flexibility and softness of this wheel and the fine silicon carbide grain that we use in the product, you can see we can get to nearly a sub-polished finish. So with this machine and these two wheels, we've got a fast and efficient process to finish hard to access welds such as these, providing a perfect finish every time.